What's up, UHS hardware fans? It's me, Louie, here today in the UHS headquarters showroom, checking out the DIHS-LG large home safe security safety box with electronic keypad by DeGuard. We're gonna be checking out this safe and going over how to set up and reprogram the keypad to accept a new user code as well as a new master code for yourself. So come on with me, let's do it. It's really simple. We'll do it together. After removing your safe from the packaging, place it on a sturdy surface and remove the emergency keys from the instruction bag. Use the emergency key to open the safe door and place the inner shelf and wall anchor kit to the side. Remove the included 4 AA batteries from the packaging and insert them into the battery slot and replace the cover after you hear the beep. The safe comes with a stock user code of 159. Until reprogrammed, this will open your safe if needed. To reprogram the user code, find the reset button on the hinge side of the door inside the safe. Press it once, then return to the keypad. While the light is yellow, enter your desired 3 to 8 digit passcode, then hit pound to confirm. After the light turns off, the password has been updated. Enter it again to confirm. To add or change a master code, first press the reset button. Then, on the keyboard, enter 00, then hit pound to confirm and press the reset button once again. Then, enter your desired 3 to 8 digit master code and press pound to confirm it. Once the yellow light turns off, the code has been updated. Lockout Timer. When a password is entered 3 times incorrectly, a 15-second lockout will occur with a constant beeping alert. After the primary lockout ends, if 3 more incorrect entries are made, the safe will enter a longer 5-minute lockout, rendering the keyboard useless until it ends. If this happens on accident, just wait until it ends or use your emergency override key to open the door and remove a battery. Note, if the keypad loses power, it will reset to factory settings and use the 159 user code once again. Hey guys, that was it. Nothing too hard about that. Make sure you head over to UHS-hardware.com and check out this safe as well as any other products by DeGuard. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, make sure you leave them below in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you're following along with us and that you are up to date with everything we've got going on. Thank you for checking out the video. We'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.